environmentally, environmentally, environment, environmentalist, environmental, environmentally.
In a way that is related to the environment.
Environmentally damaging chemicals. We need our industries to work in an environmentally responsible way.
Peace. Peace.
Peace. Peace. Peace, peaceful, peacefully.
When there is no war, violence, or arguing.
Peace talks. A peace agreement. Now that the war is over, may there be lasting peace between our nations. Gardening. Gardening. Garden, gardener, gardening.
The job or activity of growing a garden and keeping it attractive.
She enjoys gardening. Icy. Icy. Ice, icy, icily.
Without showing any emotion.
An icy stare. Role. Role.
The job someone or something has in a particular situation.
What is his role in this project? This part of the brain plays an important role in learning. 6 people have been put on trial for their role in the demonstrations. Habit. Habit.
Something that you often do that is bad for you or is annoying.
He has some really annoying or nasty habits. I was taught to drive by my boyfriend and I'm afraid I've picked up some of his bad habits.
Mutter. Mutter.
Mutter. Mutter.
To speak quietly so that your voice is difficult to hear, often when complaining about something.
He was muttering away to himself. He muttered something about the restaurant being too expensive. Terrify. Terrify. Terror, terrorism, terrorist, terrify, terrified, terrifying.
To frighten someone very much.
The idea of parachuting out of a plane terrifies me. 90. 90.
To be aged between 90 and 99.
He is in his 90s now.
The years from 1990 to 1999.
I spent most of the 90s traveling around the world. Medieval. Medieval. Mediaeval.
Relating to the period in Europe between about AD 500 and AD 1500.
A medieval building or painting or town. A medieval manuscript. Cardboard. Cardboard.
Material like very thick stiff paper, usually pale brown in color, which is used especially for making boxes.
A cardboard box.
Chip. Chip.
Chip. Chip.
A very small part of a computer that stores information.
A silicon chip. Understandable. Understandable. Misunderstanding. Understanding. Misunderstand. Understand. Understandable. Understanding. Understandably.
An understandable feeling or action is one that you would expect in that particular situation.
I still feel really angry about it. That's understandable. Their refusal to help is perfectly or completely understandable, considering the circumstances. Function. 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 Functional.
The purpose of something or the particular responsibility of someone.
Each button has a different function. I'm not quite sure what my function is within the company. Addict. 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 Addiction. Addicted. Addictive.
A person who cannot stop doing or using something, especially something harmful.
A drug or heroin addict. A gambling addict. I'm a chocolate or shopping addict.